Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain how to view your YouTube comment history. So first, go to youtube.com, log into your specific account. Ensure that you have selected your correct account by tapping on your profile picture icon and selecting the switch account to choose from the available Google accounts and channels. And once logged in, enter the desired YouTube channel, navigate to the left-hand side of the page and select History. That is between your channel and playlist. Now from this page, you need to go ahead and select the Manage All History option, under which you'll see the comment option. Go ahead and select it. Now this will open a new tab titled Your YouTube Comments, where you can view all of your comments and when they were made. For example, this account has not made any comment on YouTube, so no comments are displayed, but you can also delete comments from this page and click on the X next to the comment. A deleting now message will appear briefly and followed by one item deleted. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.